Hi everyone, here I am with my new project. Water is one of the most precious, but most of it get wasted in traditional irrigation. So today I am building a smart irrigation system using ESP32 that automatically waters plant only when they really need it. When I was younger, मैंने देखा है हर सुबह प्लांट्स को पानी देते हुए. Like some days plants were already wet, but फिर भी उन्हें पानी दिया जाता था because हमें पता ही नहीं होता था that the plants already need it or not. Years later, I realized that water isn't unlimited. Every drop we waste today is problem for tomorrow. That thought stayed with me, and today I decided to change something even it's small. This is not just project for me. I imagined a system that understands the soil, that only give waters when it truly needed. Not too much, not too little, just enough. ये स्मॉल सेटअप एक बिगर फ्यूचर को रिप्रेजेंट करता है where farming is smart and water is saved and technology works quietly in the background. And maybe this small setup can grow into something that matters. Each part has a role. कोई सॉइल को समझता है, कोई पानी को कंट्रोल कर रहा है और कोई डेटा को इंटरनेट तक पहुंचाने का काम कर रहा है. Before we begin, let me quickly show you what I am using to build this smart irrigation system. For microcontroller, I am using ESP32. These are moisture sensors. One is sensing probe, another one is sensor module. This is water pump. This is 5-volt relay, a 5-volt buzzer, some LEDs and 220 ohm resistor. For external power supply, I am using a 3.7-volt battery. Last but not the least, a small pipe to supply the water. Now let's test the most important part of this system. As soon as I take the sensor out from the soil, it detects as a dry and the buzzer beeps. Now that the sensor is working, it's time to test the water pump because this is what actually delivers water to the plants. As soon as the soil becomes dry, the system sends a signal to the relay and the pump turns on automatically. Now I am going to connect this project to the cloud using ThingSpeak so I can monitor everything in real time from anywhere. First I create a new channel, then I will add different fields to store the data from my system. Field 1 is for soil moisture value and field 2 is for motor stator. So I can see when the pump is on or off. Now the channel is ready. Here I copy the right API key and this key allows my ESP32 to send the data to the cloud. Once I add this detail in my code, the system will start sending live data to ThingSpeak automatically. As you can see, the probes are inside the soil The graph is constant. There is no change in the graph nor in the buzzer. As I take out the probe outside from the soil, the graph will spike high. And that's how the smart irrigation system works. It waters the plant only when needed, saves water, and gives complete control through the cloud. If you found this project helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.